Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be preparing my ultimate mustard leaf stir fry. Mayam ngasidi hanggam se phajana haona ngau tharage. Ok ngau bagi mathau aduga hawaijar habraga ko phajana ngau rage ko. So let's start preparing it. So these are the ingredients I'll be using. Mustard leaf, wash thoroughly. Pork fat, cooked pork fat. Asidi oksha ngau ba mathau ni ko. Akuni, hawaijar, fermented soybean, green chili, I've already crushed it, crushed garlic, and culantro. That's all. Asing ni yamde ko. Hawaijar yaure, green chili yaure, duga chanam, duga padigom, awa padigom. So I've taken a big wok, put the pork fat. Oksha mathau to have this. Put the garlic, chili, and fry it for some time. Put the hawaijar, salt to taste, and the mustard leaf. So, ising habro, no? Don't put any water. If you want, you can chop up the mustard leaf. Once the stove of the mustard leaf is soft, that means it's cooked. Soft already, yare ko si secret soft already. Yam kahin se thong no how to. So it's done. Switch off the flame. Now it's time to enjoy. Sab horge mayam. I've prepared escargot as well. This is hilly river escargot. Bitter brinjal, round bitter brinjal. Come and ka ko. And this is my today's special. Already fazana. In this nail curry, I have put pork fat as well to make it extra delicious. Kasi yung pork fat harap ni ko. Wow, it's superb. You can taste the Szechuan peppercorn. Well. It's super delicious. May ini pernah throw in chance. Wow. I've cooked the mustard in the pork fat so it has absorbed all the pork flavor and the akuni hawaijar. No? It's just awesome. ꯍꯥꯎꯋꯦ ꯐꯖꯅ. Tamarind juice. I haven't tried. How? I put lots of green chili so it's spicy but delicious. This is hilly river snails. It's much better in taste compared to the fill or the lake snails. Haujikanse hangam gi season ni ko ado hangam thopa matam ni hawu matam oiram ne ado mayam su hangam thongra chabiramo ado ngsi gi ai thongma style da opthau ne phajana ngauba aduga hawaijar hapa yam hawu ni mayam su try tawbiyo ko ado throyen sang su yam hawu en opthau hapa ne ado mayam ngsi disi wai di loisin jarage. That's all for today. Thank you very much everyone. See you next time. Bye.